Lakliba tang kunipandagi chathaba hougadouriba taraganithoi shuba Manipur Legislative Assembly ke manga suba session ki provisional calendar ngasi puthokkhre. Mathang tha March ki tang manga phaoba chathagadaba session asida punna sitting manga leigani. Hiramasi ki matang da Manipur Legislative Assembly ke secretary ke magazine thadorokpa cherol amana hai. Lakliba tang kunipandagi hougadouriba Manipur Legislative Assembly ke manga suba session asida punna sitting manga leigani. Mathang tha March ki tang manga phaoba phamkadoriba session asige howdokpa numita governor ki address house ta thamkani. Maduga iroinana motion of thanks to the governor's address, obituary reference, business advisory committee report, supplementary demands for grant 2023-2024, presentation of budget estimates 2024 amade, motion for board on accounts 2024-2025 ke business leigani. Mathangi numit tang kun mapanda chathagadaba business signa. Question other business general discussion on supplementary demands for grant 2023-2024, discussion and voting on supplementary demands for grants 2023-2024, discussion and voting on motion for board on accounts 2024 amade, introduction of Manipur appropriate bills ne. Mathang tha March ki tang amadana question other business presentation of committee reports, introduction of government bills, consideration and passing of Manipur appropriation bills amade, private members business leigani. Tha asimaki tang marida question other business presentation of committee reports amade, consideration and passing of government's bills aduka session asigi aroiba numit tang mga dana question amasung other business ki session pangthokani haina cherol asna makha tarakle.